Air conditioner and heat unit. It's 10:30 a.m. Thursday, February 25, 2021. So here's your thermostat. You can set it to whatever temperature you want, and then you have hold for automatic mode for heating, and then you have fan only mode for just for the outside air, and then you have cool mode for air condition, which turns on the compressor, the freon, and then you have your heat for electric heat. And then you have your vent, air circulation. So that's inside air or outside air. You just turn it. Now it's on outside air. I'm going to see if I can get the air conditioner to turn on. There. Conditioner's on. It's going in pretty good. Okay, so it's in cool mode. Turn down the thermostat. See if turn down the thermostat. See if the compressor kicks on. There we go. He's on. So the air conditioner is on cool mode right now. When the air conditioner is on cool mode, the inside fan runs and the outside fan runs as well too. So it's on cool mode right now. It's on air conditioned mode. You can hear the compressor running. Zoom up on it. We're gonna put this air conditioner on heat mode because it's winter out. It's minus 5 degrees Celsius out here in Sharbot Lake, so I just thought I'd do a little air conditioner video. The fan's in there. On, and you got coils in there. Yeah, it's hot. It's pretty warm. Okay, so the air conditioner is on cool mode right now, and this air conditioner here has electric heat on it, which is electric strip coil heat that uses hydro for electric heat. And this baseboard heater you see here, it's actually heated by a wood boiler, so this is actually not electric baseboard heater. It's actually hot water baseboard heater that is heated with hot water. So that there's all heated with hot water from the wood boiler, so that's pretty cool. But this is the air conditioner and heat unit. It's on cool mode. And I'm going to turn off the air conditioner. I'm going to put it on heat mode there. It's way too cold to be running the air conditioner. I'll let you listen to the compressor. He said one of these air conditioners in the portable was at the school in Verona, and was actually the same units like these ones. But we had ours actually hooked up to a wall thermostat on the wall, and you set the thermostat on cool or heat, set it to whatever temperature you want it, and then we had the air conditioner and heat unit on automatic mode, so the air conditioner and heat unit would cycle on and off automatically. But for some reason, these air conditioners here up in Sharbot Lake, they don't turn on and off automatically unless you put it on hold mode. The only thing how it works is if you have these air conditioners on heat or cool mode, it would just turn, the thermostat would just turn the heating coil on and off, or will just turn, or if it's on cool mode, the air conditioner will turn off, or sorry, the thermostat will turn off the compressor on and off. But these only run on automatic mode if you just put it in hold. So what I'm going to do now is I'm turning off the air conditioner, and I'm going to put it in heat mode here, because it's not warm enough to run the air conditioner yet. It's -5 degrees Celsius outside. So these air conditioners here have electric heat on it, which is pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna put it in heat mode here. So now it's on heat mode. And we're going to turn the, now if you set the thermostat to normal, that should keep your room about 20 degrees Celsius or 68 Fahrenheit. So if you set it to normal, that should keep you right around about 21 degrees Celsius or 70 Fahrenheit. If you set it right here, that's going to keep your room about 25 degrees Celsius or 77 Fahrenheit, which is toasty warm. If you turn it to the maximum setting, your room's going to be 30 degrees Celsius or 86 Fahrenheit. It's still blowing cold air. I got to turn up the thermostat here to get the heat coil to kick on. Get the electric strip coil's heat kick on there and get the heater to kick on. Oh, it just clicked. Now it's turning on the heat coils now. Electric heat coils. There it goes. It just turned on the heat now. So I'm going to set it all the way. So you go all the way up. I'm going to set it right there. So when you put the air conditioner on heat mode, the inside fan runs only, and the outside air and the outside fan doesn't run. So when the air conditioner's on heater mode, inside fan runs only, but the outside fan don't run. The only time when the outside fan runs on the air conditioner is when you put the air conditioner on cool mode. See, it's not. So the air conditioner is on heat mode. Oh yeah, that is nice and warm. That is. Oh, I'm burning myself. It's hot. It's hot. It's really hot. It's blowing heat out. It's blowing hot air. That's what we want because it's cold outside. We want the heat on. We want the heat on, not the air conditioner. Air conditioner and heat unit. It is on heat mode right now, blowing hot air. I thought I'd make a little air conditioner video for you to see. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now. The view outside in the back window. All right, let's. I'm going to turn down the thermostat on the air conditioner to conserve energy. It's on heat mode. That's hot. It's blowing hot air. Hot air. I just turned down the thermostat and it should turn the heating coil off. Hasn't clicked yet, but it should any second. There it goes. It just turned off there. It's turned off. Heating coil's off now. And in fact, I'm going to turn it off. It's off now. And I'm going to set it to normal. Set it to normal. Right there. Oh, it's click. Hear the clicking? Listen. Air conditioner and heat unit. End of video. Here.